understand why the generator was on. I don't know. That's what we do next, valve covers. I'll get new gaskets, but what do you think about what we've done to her?
Dude, this thing is a whole new car.
I'm trying to tell everybody about it that she sat in the bar for how many years?
20.
20 years, and how long did she sit outside?
Another 5.
Another 5. So 25 years sitting still, guys. 750 bucks, and we got what? A grand in parts? Ish?
About 15.
Yeah, 1977, second owner. Under 100,000 miles, guys. Hey, oh shit, I thought he was fucking going to keep going.
Can I stop?
Yeah, you got to pump it. If you drive it, red lights, you got to put it in park. She still wants to keep going forward. Love Jocelyn there. She's gonna be so mad.
Yeah, that was the back.
Yeah, there's something wrong back here. It needs jacked up like that. Yeah, turn around up here. Not bad of a ride, guys. Right there's the bad part of the interior. The sun pulled it apart.
No rips in the dash.
No, I mean, look at that, guys. You mean you got to start off a crack? But I was telling him, fucking Dawson done that cowhide seat. I'm thinking cowhide right here, this top here, leave the wood grain, do cowhide right down underneath there, and on the doors, just do the cowhide here, and the same as the back right there, do cowhide. I think it would be dope as hell. She ain't got no balls. She makes a lot of noise.
Brakes.
Yeah, she needs looked at. Yeah, she's not too bad. Got a lot of torque for what she is. Torque's double the horsepower. 130 horse, 160 or something like that, and 200 and almost 300 torque.
She ain't bad, to be honest.
I'm glad she's charging though.
Yeah, so am I.
All right, that's good. We got the porch started. Don't look too bad. Redneck as fuck right there. All right.